Let's rotate or straighten photos on your iPhone. Now, first just open up the Photos app on your iPhone, and I'm going to use this as an example. You can see the other photos or the normal way of me and my kids, but this one is rotated, or maybe in your case, the horizon isn't exactly correct. You can change that easily just by tapping on that little slider icon at the very bottom. And now you'll be able to see a bunch of menu items. We're going to choose the second to right option called crop, but we're not going to crop this. Within here is the ability to rotate it. At the very top left, you can see a little flip. This will flip it from one side to another, or you can see rotate button. Now it only has one direction, so I need to just keep going. And there we go, it has rotated it. However, let's say the horizon is also tilted. I can fix that two different ways. One is I can tap on the auto button at the very top and it will just guesstimate what it thinks the horizon should be and automatically rotate it. However, you'll be able to see at the very bottom here is a little circle icon. I can tap on it and now I can just take my finger and rotate it however I want. So you can keep on rotating it wherever you feel good. And now if you hit the done button at the very top right, it will automatically crop it and save it in that orientation.